Let's sketch these bricks out. So the small brick, let's assume, although it doesn't actually matter, assume it's the cuboid. Then what do I have? I've got a width of 2.1 and I've got a volume of 8. Okay, for the larger bricks, I don't know what the width is, but I've got a volume of 15.625. Well, we can actually work out the volume scale factor here by dividing the larger number by the smaller number for the volumes, that is. And there we have it. Oh, that doesn't look very nice. I'm going to leave it as a fraction, 125 over 64. Okay. Now what we don't do, okay, is we do not multiply 2.1 by that because this is a volume scale factor and we want the length scale factor. They are different, it's different concepts. And before I do any more, I just want to remind you why. Let's say I have a cube and all the sides are 1, then the volume would be 1. 1 times 1 times 1. If I have a bigger cube with the sides twice as much, 2 times 2 times 2, then the volume would actually be 8. So you can see, sorry, let me just do that again. The font didn't come out properly. Right, 2, 2, 2, and then this would be 8. So I see that I've got a length scale factor times 2, but actually a volume scale factor times 8. Because you can see you're changing the 3 lengths. So actually you have to times by the length 3 times. This 8 is equal to 2 cubed. So to go from the length scale factor to the volume scale factor, I cube it. And hence to go the other way, I cube root it. And that is exactly what I have to do here. To get the length scale factor, I find the cube root of 125 over 64. And actually I could do this without a calculator. 125 is a cube number. Its cube root is 5. 64 is a cube number. Its cube root is 4. You can put it in your calculator if you like. That's fine. And I'm nearly there now because I probably should have done this one in green to make it all match up. Let's change it. Okay, so to go from this to this, I'm actually going to times by 5 over 4. And the width, the question mark, equals width of large brick is going to equal 2.1 times 5 over 4 which is 2.625. I think it's absolutely fine to leave it exact in this case.